Welcome back, my dear students, to the offline video series of Geography of Class 7. Today, in this video, we are going to start with next lesson, and the name of the lesson is Soils. There are different types of soils in Maharashtra. In this lesson, we are going to study about that types of soils. Along with that, we are going to study about how soil plays an important role in our life, what are the uses of soil, and how soil is used as a natural and invaluable resource. So first of all, I am going to ask you 3 questions and you have to answer these questions. After answering, you will understand that soil is really an important factor. The first question is, what are the different constituents of soil? So the answer for this question is, there are main 4 constituents of the soil, and they are organic material, inorganic material, air and water are the 4 important constituents of the soil. Second question is, from where do the abiotic factors become available for the soil formation? In the process of soil formation, the abiotic factors are available from the nature, and these abiotic factors are wind, sun, air and water. Next question is, on which factors does the variety of the soil depends? So, the variety of the soil depends on the factors like temperature, the amount of rainfall, availability of water, and availability of minerals and nutrients which are required for improved variety of soil. Soil is a natural factor, and we are also going to study about different factors which are responsible for formation of soil. So, the first factor which is responsible for formation of soil is parent rock. Parent rock are the rocks which are converted into powdery material, and later this powdery material is converted into earthy material. Example, basalt rock of Deccan Plateau of Maharashtra is turned into black soil. Black soil is also called as Regur soil. The second example is granite in South India is converted into red soil. The second important factor for formation of soil is regional climate. Regional climate is an important factor in influencing of soil. However, weathering of rock is the first step towards soil formation process. The process of weathering depends on the climate of a particular region. The climate of a particular region decides the intensity of weathering of rock. That is why one single type of rock gives rise to many different types of soils. That is why in Deccan Plateau of Maharashtra, black soil is found, while in southern part of India, red soil is found. The factor which is used for soil formation and influencing is biotic material. Biotic material is the material which we get naturally from the nature. This material is obtained from the waste or dead remain of plants and animals. When a particular plant or animal dies, it decomposes with the help of water in the ground. When it decomposes, it gives out certain minerals and nutrients which increases the fertility of the soil. As the fertility of the soil increases, it will help for better quality of crops in agricultural activities. Microorganisms and certain other organisms helps for decomposition of the dead remain of plants and animals. When these biotic material is mixed with the soil, it is called as humus. As the proportion of humus increases in the soil, the fertility of the soil increases. And as the fertility increases, it gives us better quality and quantity of agricultural crops. This process of decomposition by various microorganisms takes place continuously in the nature. Nowadays, there are various vermicompost and compost which are produced in order to increase the fertility of the soil. The next factor which we are going to study is time. A small and very thin layer of a soil requires a large period of time for the formation. The process of soil formation is natural and it is quite long. For formation of 2.5 centimeter thick layer of soil, it takes thousands of years. From this, we can understand that soil is an valuable resource. In the region of high temperature and high rainfall, the formation of soil is faster. And comparatively, in the region where there is low rainfall and low temperature, the soil formation process is less. Human beings use the soil which is gifted by nature. As I told you that the soil formation process requires a longer period of time, that is why soil is considered to be a valuable resource. And this fertile soil is used usually in agricultural activities. In order to get good quality and quantity of crops, different types of insecticides, pesticides, artificial medicines and fungicides are used, which reduces the fertility of the soil.